In this Solidworks tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a revolved cut, as you can see here in this feature. Number one, we're going to need to work on a sketch on a plane. Number two, we're going to need an axis. So those two things. Let's go ahead and first do the sketch. So we're going to just select the top plane here, right down the middle to start a sketch. And for this example, let's say we want a shape, any closed sketch here. That's going to remove the material ultimately. So you can see that overlap there. Select OK. We'll exit the sketch. Now we need an axis to revolve around. So we go to reference geometry axis. We're going to do intersection of two planes here and here. Creates a nice axis down the middle, you can see there. So we have our sketch and we have our axis. Now we're going to go to revolved cut here, and we can select our sketch, but it picked up the wrong axis, so we want to get rid of that and select the right one, 360 degrees, and select OK. And you can see it's removed that material and it's revolved the cut from the shape. That's going to do it for this tutorial. Like, subscribe to the channel. We'll see you on the next one.